Unit 2 transformer, EMF equation in transformer. This is the today topic. Transformer working as the only using the AC is a general EMF equation in the transformer. Transformer working in AC means one sine waveform will be product. This is the sine waveform. This is x-axis will be omega t, y-axis will be flux. This is for the sine waveform. One half sine waveform will be 1 by 2 t. Full sine waveform will be 0 to 2 pi times. Full time period will be t. The flux will be 0 to 5 maximum will the 1 by 4 time of the time period. This is 1 by 4 time changing the flux is equal to 0 to 5 maximum. This is the 5 maximum flux leakage. First you calculate the EMF equation in transformer. Average EMF equation per turns equal to d phi by dt. Flux change in the flux divided by time. d phi by dt is equal to ending flux 5 maximum minus starting is equal to 0. 5 maximum minus 0 divided by 1 by 4 time of frequency in the change in the times. D psi by dt is equal to 5 maximum in minus 0 divided by 1 by 4 pi f. This is 1 by 4 pi f should be going to upper side. 4 f 5 maximum into Weber per second. Weber means the flux unit on the Weber, time unit on the seconds. So Weber per seconds. Average EMF in per turns equal to 4 f 5 maximum into voltage. From factors equal to 1 sine waveform, the from factors equal to generally sine waveform from factors equal to RMS value by average value. Sine waveform from factors equal to 1.11 will be constant values. This is the sine waveform from factors. You find out the RMS values for the voltage. RMS values is equal to 1.11 into average value. Average value is the already you are find out 4 f 5 maximum will be RMS values. You multiply the RMS values 4.44 f 5 maximum in the voltage. This is the EMF general EMF equation in the transformer. Next you calculate the V2 divided by V1. This is the general equation. V2 divided by V1 is equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to N2 minus N1 is equal to I1 divided by I2 is equal to K constant. V2 is the secondary voltage, V1 is the primary voltage, E2 is equal to secondary RMS values, E1 will be primary R1 values, N2 is the number of turns in secondary, N1 is the number of turns in primary, I1 will be number of total current in the primary, I2 in the total current in secondary, K is the constant ratio. This is for the very important equation for the EMF equation in transformer. Next to find out the transformer will be three type of transformer: step up transformer, step down transformer, isolation transformer. Step up transformer is the in primary side and the secondary side. You find out the transformer general circuit diagram. This is for general diagram. This is for primary side. This is for secondary side. Number of turns in this is for N1. This is for N2, this is for primary winding, this is for secondary winding. Primary winding number of turns equal to secondary winding number of turns. N2 greater than the N1 is equal to step up transformer. N2 less than the N1 is the step down transformer. N1, N2 will be equal to is the isolation transformer. This is for the EMF equation problems. This problem will be Anna University 2018 question paper will be asked. This is for the single phase transformer as the 350 primary and 1550 secondary turns. The primary is the connected to the 400 voltage 50 Hz AC supply. If the net crossing the section area of the cross core is 50 centimeters square, calculate the maximum value of flux density in the core. Second, calculate the induced EMF in the secondary windings. First, given data, first N1 will be given 350 turns N2 will be 1015 turns. Is the N2 will be biggest value. So this is problem will be step up transformer problems. So next given the values for the V1 is equal to 400 voltage, then cross areas equal to 50 centimeter square. Centimeter square you find out the meter square. So 50 into 10 power minus 2 whole square into meter square. This is the 50 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. This is for the total area. To find out the values for the flux density Bm, then secondary winding in E2. Two values will be find out. General solutions, you will be general EMF equation E1 is equal to 4.44 into F into 5 maximum into N1. This is for the primary EMF equation. E1 is equal to this is the 5 maximum is equal to B maximum into A. You values will be 5 maximum values will be putting this equation. E1 is equal to 4.44 into P maximum into A into F into N1. This is the general equation. This equation will be find out the flux density B maximum is equal to E1 divided by 4.44 into A into F into N1. This time E1 is equal to RMS value is equal to V1 will be same. So this is the voltage value is equal to 400 voltage into 4.44 into A value is equal to 50 into 10 power minus 4 into frequency is equal to 50 Hz. Frequency equal to 50 Hz. Questions will be given. Frequency will be 50 Hz. N1 value is 350. You put the values will be 1.0296 Weber per meter square. This is the flux density values. Next you find out the secondary windings EMF will be calculated. So general equation K is equal to V2 divided by V1 is equal to N2 divided by N1 is equal to E2 divided by E1 is equal to I1 divided by I2. This is the turns ratio. You first calculate the K is equal to N2 divided by N1. Number of turns in secondary and number of turns in primary will be already given the problems. Number of turns will be N2 is equal to 1050 divided by N1. Number of turns in primary is equal to 350. You divide value is equal to K is equal to 3. Next you find out the secondary windings in EMF equation. Next K is equal to E2 divided by E1. K value is equal to 3, E2 is equal to you find out E2 is equal to 3 into E1. E1 values already you find out and already find out. E2 is equal to that value will be 400 voltage. This is a multiplication 1200 voltage.